You can expect a lot from the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an automatic dimming rearview mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.